Now, imagine you've spent decades building your business, watching it grow from a small venture into something truly you can be proud of. You've navigated economic downturns, you've celebrated successes, perhaps you've even weathered some personal sacrifice. Now that you're looking forward to retirement, the question isn't just about how to step away, but how to do it in a way that ensures you're taken care of. This is your legacy, this is your business after all. Now, as business owners, we're often so caught up in the day-to-day operations that we might forget to plan our own exit strategy. But retiring without a plan can be like jumping out of an airplane without a parachute. That's where Bank on Yourself, the strategy using cash value whole life insurance, becomes your golden parachute. So let's dive into how this strategy, this Bank on Yourself design policy, can not only help support your business while you're in the business, which we've talked about in recent episodes, but it can also serve as a cornerstone for your own financial security in retirement. Now, entrepreneurs typically have about 90% of their net worth invested in their business. This makes them highly vulnerable to the business's performance. And I see this anecdotally, but it's in all the statistics I read too. This concentration of wealth, I think, just underscores the necessity of having a real exit plan. Now, according to a BDC study, 61.5% of small and medium-sized business owners are over age 50, which means many are soon going to be getting close to that retirement time. That was a 2020 study done, by the way, so they're just now even 5 years older. A golden parachute offers benefits like severance pay, stock options, and it can be used as a way to bring people to the buying and selling table. Notably, in the 80s, specifically, 15% of the largest corporations adopted a golden parachute concept by 1981. And these structures, these golden parachute structures, made sure that the founders can exit their business with something on their back, a little bit of financial security, for a job well done for creating a business and so many jobs. Now, a golden parachute, in its legal sense, it's just a clause in your contract that provides a significant benefit if you're terminated or if you're acquired or if you sell your business. That's the idea of a golden parachute. And these benefits might be a big lump sum. It might be some stock options or bonuses. And according to Equilar, which was a study done in 2019, CEOs at the S&P 500 companies had a median golden parachute value of $26.5 million. That's, again, as of 2020, the study done. So, again, Harvard Business Review analysis showed that golden parachutes can increase the shareholder value because, in essence, it's lowering the risk of like takeovers, if you will. So it helps the transition from the founder to the new business owner, whoever that might be. And this cushion, as you might be thinking about it, I mean, $26.5 million, that's quite a pillow. But this financial cushion supports the business owner transitioning from being the founder and running the business every day to exiting with grace and financial security. So this concept of a golden parachute, I think, traditionally refers to a big pile of money or stock options that you would take as you leave your business. However, for small and medium-sized businesses, I think our version is a lot more practical, a lot more tailored, and I would say it's about using the cash value life insurance policy that's maybe inside the business and that you've had in there for many years to help and serve you in securing your financial future post-retirement, post-business sale. And the idea here is, as you're building a exit plan years before you retire, set up that Bank on Yourself design policy so that when you're ready to enter your golden years, you can do it with peace of mind. So this isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about strategically positioning your wealth today to serve you when you're finally ready to pull the ripcord, so to speak. And this cash value in your whole life insurance policy is not just some number on a statement. It's a flexible, growing asset that can be your lifeline in your business's needs during your working years, and then your legacy when you go into, the sunset years of your life, and finally a financial legacy for your beneficiaries when you pass away.